what it started with. This is the house transformation that I'm most proud of doing. And because most of you don't care why the transformation works, I'm going to show you the after picture. But for those of you who do care why it works, you can stick around after the after picture and I will explain it. And this is the after. I'm a little obsessed with lighting, so I built in smart lights in the entire outside of the house. And it can be just plain too. You don't have to have crazy colors. It is so pretty in person, guys. I wish you all could see it. First thought might be just paint would fix it. It looks better. Yes, it looks better. Whoever chose Pat Brown was not a designer, let's say that. These metal columns, while super popular when the house was built, give no contrast to the exterior and they just kind of blend in. So I added wood columns that just made the front area really pop. See that little window? It's off balance. To fix that, I added a bigger window. See how more balanced it looks? It had these shutters and I did try painting them originally, but I just could not make them work. So I just got rid of them altogether. That and painting the door black just really made this lower level pop. I also added this wood ceiling and I did that on both levels. This is a custom built black pipe railing. I had to cut down and then thread each of these pipes so that they would fit here. Also, black pipe's not weather resistant, so you do have to seal it with black paint, and it was gonna take some upkeep. You have to keep on top of it to make sure that it doesn't get exposed anywhere, which I told the new owners, so hopefully they remember to keep an eye on these black pipes. I even put this really pretty deck up here. Before it was just roofing rubber that they had put up here, which was so ugly. My kids never wanted to go out there. Fortunately, we moved right after I did that, so my kids never got to use it, but I think the new owners like it. I also landscaped all of this to make it look nicer. This is a rain chain, which I think looks so cool, and then I have it fall into these rocks so it diverts the water away from the house. This is in the center of the gutter. This gutter goes that way and that gutter goes that way, but I did want to have more ways for water to get off the roof besides these two gutters over there, so I added that. But it doesn't get a ton of water, and that's important because this doesn't take a lot of water. So that one just gets a little water. Most of it goes that way and that way, but it's really pretty. I do have a bunch more before and after photos of projects like this that I did before I started recording myself. So if that's something that you enjoy, let me know in the comments and I'll make more of them and follow for more.